Good morning, children. Today's thought is you can learn something new every day if you listen. Children, from the day you are born till the day you die, there is always something new you can learn. So, use your time qualitatively to learn something new, some good things. Today, we will continue lesson number 10, addition by carrying over. So, let's see one example. Here question is add 1h 2t 8u plus 2h 1t 6u. Okay, you know the places, hundreds, tens and units. Now, we always start addition from the units place. Okay, so first we will add the digits in units place 8 plus 6. So, 8 plus 6 we get 14. Okay, but we know that we can't put two number in a single place. We can't put two digit in a single place. So, in last class we have seen that this 14 can be written as 14u equals to 10u plus 4u. Okay, and now 10 units is equal to 1 tens. So, instead of 10 units we can write 1 tens. So, 14u equals to 1 tens for u. Okay. So, what we have to do here? Now, here 1 at tens place and 4 at units place. So, we can write the digit in units place as it is, and we shift this 1 the digit in tens place to the tens place. Okay. So, here 1 is carry forward like this. This 1 means 1 tens because it is 1 tens for u. For u are written in units place and 1 t means 1 tens is carry forward to the tens place. Okay. Now, add the digits in tens place. 2 plus 1 we get 3 and 3 plus this carry forwarded 1. So, 3 plus 1 we get 4. So, 4t, and after that move towards the 100 place. 1 plus 2 we get 3h. Okay. So, in this way you have to do addition by carrying over. Always remember that there can't be two digit in the same place. So, for that we have to shift the digit to the nearest place. Okay. If two digits are in the units place, then keep one digit in units place and one digit move towards the tens place by doing this. Now, see the next one. The question is 267 plus 539. Okay. Now, as per our method, start addition from the units place. 7 plus 9 we get 16. Okay. Now, this 16 can be written as 1t 6u. Okay. So, keep this 6 as it is and move this 1 to the tens place, carrying over 1. Okay, because 1 tens. So, shift this 1 in the tens place. Now, start doing addition in the tens place. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1. We get 10. Again, two digit number is there. So, 10 tens means nothing but 1h and 0t. So, move this 1 to the hundreds place. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus this carry forward 1. So, you will get the answer 8. So, 267 plus 539 is equal to 806. So, in this way you have to add the numbers by carrying over. If there is a necessity of carrying over, then and then only you can carrying over the digit to the next place. Now, see these examples in your maths textbook, page number 52. The first one is carry out the additions below. Now see first example. 5 plus 135 plus 476. Now we always start addition from the units place. First add the digits in the units place. Now 5 plus 6. What is answer? 5 plus 6, we get number 11. So there are two digits. So keep the number 1 in units place. Now 11 can be written as tens and units. Okay, 1 at tens place and 1 at units place. So keep this 1 at units place here, 1, and shift this 1 and tens at tens place here. Okay, to the tens place. This is carrying over. Now move towards the tens place. 7 plus 3 we get 10 and 10 plus 1 again we get 11. Now here 2 digit is given, but now in this 11 this 1 is at tens place and this 1 is at hundreds place. So write this 1 here and shift 1 at the hundreds place here. Now 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So we get the answer 611. Okay, in this way you have to carry forward addition by carrying over. Now see some another example. 149 plus 19. Start addition from the units place. 9 plus 9. What we get? We get 18. Now in this number 18, 8 is at units place and 1 is at tens place. So write this 8 in the units place. Okay. And shift this 1 to the tens place. Means 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Now 4 plus 1 we get 5, 5 plus 1 we get 6, and this 5 plus nothing means 0. You can write 0 or you can keep this place vacant. So 5 plus 0 we get 5. So you will get the answer 568. So children, in this way, using this method, you have to solve all these examples in maths textbook. Now see the next one, addition. Carry out the additions given below. Now there is addition of 3 numbers. Again you have to do this addition using the same method. First start adding the digit in the units place. See first example, 432 plus 94 plus 5. So start adding digits in units place. 5 plus 4 we get 9 and 9 plus 2 we get 11. Now in this number 11 write 1 here and shift this 1. 1 is carrying over. So write this carrying over number in the tens place and you have to circle that carrying over number. Okay. Now addition of the tens place. 9 plus 3 we get 12. 12 plus 1 we get 13. Now here nothing is given, means there is a 0. Either you can write 0 or you can keep this place vacant. So 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13. Write 3 here and 1 is carrying over. Okay, now 4 plus 0 means 4 and 4 plus 1 we get 5. So we get the answer 531. Okay, using the same method you have to calculate, you have to sum up all these numbers. Now next is the last question, add. Again in this question also the method is same. So let's take this example, the last one. Now here the places are not given, but we know that 4 is at hundreds place, 3 is at tens place and 7 is at units place. Okay, so start adding the digits from the units place first. So 7 plus 3 we get 10, 10 plus 5 we get 15. So write 5 here, 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Now 4 plus 2 we get 6, 6 plus 3 we get 9. 9 plus this one, 9 plus 1 we get 10, again 2 digit number. So write 0 here and 1 is carrying over. Now next add the digits in hundreds place. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7 and 7 plus 1, 8. So, you will get the answer 805. Okay children, so you have to solve all these examples, all these sum in maths textbook page number 52. You have to solve these sums in maths textbook itself, okay, and after solving see the answers from here. Okay children, so today we stop. In the next class we will see next part of the same lesson. Till then, happy learning.